pouring into me, filling my soul. Self-care is the key to making me whole. I can't give you my best if I'm running on empty. Loving myself is how we both shine plenty.
We all need self-care, a time to escape, to isolate, relax, and let ourselves reshape. It's those who don't, those who won't, that end up lost. Broken in despair they float. Even God on the seventh day found rest. Blessed with peace that we can do the same and pass the test. It's a time to silence all the noise inside, to find the calm where we in peace reside.
I'm pouring into me, filling my soul. Self-care is the key to making me whole. I can't give you my best if I'm running on empty. Loving myself is how we both shine plenty.
I'm caught up trying to be the best at it all. Best friend, best partner, answering every call. Filling your cups, but now mine's dry. Lost my glow, I'm running low, asking why. Said yes when I should have said no. Trying to avoid shame, but I let it show. Caring for me means loving me first. Fill my own cup, let it quench my thirst.
I'm pouring into me, filling my soul. Filling my soul. Self-care is the key to making me whole. Making me whole. I can't give you my best if I'm running on empty. Loving myself is how we both shine plenty.
There's only one me, one temple, one life. If I don't care for me, I'm living in strife. I am my company when no one's around. Listening to my heart, that's where peace is found. I can't be real with you until I'm real with me. Self-care is the truth, the path to be free. I won't dry up, no, I'll overflow. You catch my flow, and together we will rise and glow.
I'm pouring into me, filling my soul. Filling my soul. Self-care is the key to making me whole. To making me whole. I can't give you my best if I'm running on empty. Loving myself is how we both shine plenty. I'm pouring into me, filling my soul. Self-care is the key to making me whole. I can't give you my best if I'm running on empty. Loving myself is how we both shine plenty. I'm pouring into me, filling my soul. Filling my soul. Self-care is the key to making me whole. To making me whole. I can't give you my best if I'm running on empty. Loving myself is how we both shine plenty.